Hey, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Harris here. We are ready for our math lesson on our e-learning day today. So we're going to do a little bit of calendar, and then you are going to go on a shape walk at home and draw a picture of some shapes that you see, since we've been talking a lot about our shapes. Okay, so let's get started. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Guess what, guys? Today's the first day of the month, so we don't have any numbers that we have to count. So what number am I going to add? That's right, it's going to be the first. Everybody say, today is Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. Good. What's our digital date? What's our digital date? What number am I looking for? Remember, when we count the months of the year, what number am I looking for? Nope, it's not 9. That was September. Let's count. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So I'm looking for the number 10. So it's 10 dash. What did we say today was? That's right, it's the first. 1 dash 2025. Good. Say it with me. Today's digital date is 10 1 2025. What day of the week is it? What day is today? No, it's not Monday. No, it's not Saturday. I know it feels like Saturday because we're at home, but today is Wednesday. Everybody say Wednesday. Good. Yesterday was. If today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? That's right. It was Tuesday. Everybody say yesterday was Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? If today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? That's right. It'll be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Say it with me. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Good. What number are we looking for today? Let's do this number. What number is this? That's right. It's 8. And is 8 even or odd? No, it's not odd. That's even, right? Good. And what's our number name? 8. Good. All right. How many counters am I looking for now, friends? 8. Good. And remember, do I put 1 counter in each box, or do I put 2 counters in each box? That's right. I put 1. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And we know it's an even number because, remember, it has a partner. All right. If it's an odd number, it doesn't have a partner. How many tally marks do I need? That's right. I need 8. What am I going to start with? Am I going to start with straight up and down, or am I going to do a diagonal? That's right. I'm going to do straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, now what do I need? That's right, I need that diagonal, don't I? I need the diagonal. Oh, thank you for being patient while my computer catches up. 5. Count with me. 6, 7, 8. Good. All right, so there's our number 8. Now, I want to make the number 30. What do I need to have? What do I need? Do I need any cubes? No, I don't need any cubes. I need tens. How many tens do I need? That's right, I need 10 or 3. Ready? Let's count. 10, 20, 30. Good. All right. Now we're going to go back and do another one. Okay. What if I want to make the number, I went too far. What if I want to make the number 16? What do I need? 16 cubes? I could use 16 cubes, but remember, once we get 10, do we need just the cubes, or do we need to grab a 10? That's right, we grab a 10. So I'm going to start with a 10. So 10. Now does that give me 16? No, I got to add some more cubes. 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it flipped it, didn't it? 16. Good. All right, we're just going to go back and do one more, okay? I want to make the number 12. What do I need? 2 cubes? Just 2 cubes? No, not just 2 cubes. I need something else. That's right, I need a 10. Everybody say 10, 11, 12. Let's go back and count that again. Ready? Let's try. 10, 11, 12. Good. All right, let's do our greater than, less than, and equal to. So we did the number 8. So let's start with our number 8. And let's do the number 10. Which way does the alligator eat? Does he want to eat 8 or does he want to eat 10? That's right, he wants to eat the 10. All right, everybody say 8 is less than 10. Good. Let's do one more, okay? Or a couple more, I guess I should say. All right. What about 14? And let's do 6. 14 and 6. Which way is the alligator going to eat? Is he going to eat 6 or is he going to eat 14? That's right, he's going to eat 14, okay? 14. Everybody say 14 is greater than 6. Good. All right, let's do one more. Let's do kind of a tricky one. Let's do 7 and 9. Which way is the alligator going to eat? Is he going to eat 7 or 7? Or is he going to eat 9? That's right, he's going to eat 9. Okay, so everybody say with me, 7 is less than 9. Good. All right, friends, today we're not going to do our number line. We'll do that when we get back to school tomorrow. So we'll add our day for how many days we've been in school, and we'll add, one more for tomorrow and talk about what tomorrow will be as well. But now we're going to do a quick shape video because you're going to get ready to go on a shape walk. So let me pull up our Jack Hartman shape video. All right. All right, so I want you to sing along with me, okay? And do the song with me. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Rhombus. Mosaic. Draw a circle. Round. Around. Layer. Circle. Cross. Up. Layer. Triangle. Down. Cross. Up. Up. Circle. One. Remember, two long lines, two short lines. Oval. Squish. Oh, squish it. Blue rhombus. That one's kind of tricky. Blue circle. Good. All right, boys and girls. So, hold on. There we go. All right, now your job is to go take a blank sheet of paper, use your crayons or your pencil, whatever you have at home, okay? You're going to go on a shape walk in your house, and you're going to find all the different shapes that you see at your house. Okay? Bring your paper back to school tomorrow and show me, and we can talk about the shapes that you found. And I'll see you then, okay? Have a good day.